Hello everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. In this video, we are going to solve a fun, interesting and easy beginner level puzzle game. So the game is like you have to guess the correct number. Okay, there will be a random number and you have to guess it, and it will tell you if the number you're guessing is smaller or greater than the actual number you have to guess. So yes, the program is like this. And before proceeding with the video, let me show you how the game is exactly going to be. Okay, so you have to guess the number. Let's say 77. The number is smaller than this. So let me guess something in 60s. The number is smaller than this. Something in 50s. The number is greater than this. So it should be 55. Number is smaller than this. 54. Smaller than this. 53. Okay, congratulations, your guess was correct. So this is how the game was like. So we are going to solve this program today. We are going to create such a game. So over here we have a class guess the number, and let us write the main method. Yes. Now we have to generate a random number. Okay. Now let's say int random is equal to, I hope you all know the math.random, the random method from math class. So we are going to use that over here, math.random. So math.random creates a double value. Okay, so that is why it is giving an error over here. And you can also see that math.random returns a value greater than or equal to 0.0 and less than 1.0. Okay, but we want from 0 to 100 in this case. If you want something more than that, you can go with it, but I want up till now 0 to 100, which is integer. So first I'll do multiplied with 100. So this will ensure that the values that are being generated is from 0 to 100. Okay, and now we have to cast this to int. Okay, because it has double values, so int. So this whole thing means we have casted math.random to int. It will return only integer values and it will give us values from 0 to 100. Okay, now this is our random value that will be generated. Now the number that the user will guess, that we have to store somewhere, right? So that is going to be an input. So we need the scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Now let's create an integer guess and say sc.nextInt. So here we are taking the input from the user, but to make the code more user friendly, we have to say that guess the number. So let us write that guess the number. Okay, let us remove the ln. Yeah, so now it will say guess the number, and then we will provide the guess that we are having. Okay, now what we want is if the guess matches with the random number, then we will say congratulations, your guess was correct. And if the guess is greater than the random number, then we'll say you have to provide a smaller value. And if the guess is lesser than the random number, then we'll say you have to provide a higher guess, something like that. Okay, so let us write our if block. If block, first we'll say guess equal to random. Then we'll say congratulations, your guess was correct. This we are going to say. Alright, now we'll have another else if. In this else if, we will say if guess is greater than random, we will say the number is smaller than this. We are going to say this. Okay, and finally we are going to have an else block, and in the else block we will say the number is greater than this. So we have our conditions ready. Now if you run the program, you will see if I suppose 88, when I say 88, it just says the number is smaller than this and it exits. But I want it to prompt me to guess the number again, right? So we have to basically run this thing in a loop. So it goes again and again and again until you get the correct answer, until it matches guess equal to random, right? So we need a while loop. So we say while, if we provide true inside this condition box, if we say true, the while loop is going to be infinite. Okay, it is going to run and run and run and run. But we don't want that. We want it to stop when it matches congratulations, your guess was correct. So what are we going to do? Let us create a boolean flag equal to true. And we will pass this flag inside our while loop. Okay. And then once it matches this particular condition, we can set flag to false. That is why I've created it in a variable. Okay. All right. So let us move this whole condition into our while loop. Got it? Now, when you get the correct answer, you want it to come out of the loop. You don't want to execute it again. Okay. So we set flag to false. So next time when it comes to the while loop again, it checks that flag is false. So it doesn't execute anything anymore. Okay. Now, when we say guess is greater than random or guess is less than random, we want the code to prompt the user again that you have to guess the number again, right? So we have to write such a code. So over here we'll write another statement, guess the number again. Let us remove the ln. We have to say guess equal to sc dot next int. So we are updating the value of guess. Now in this case, if it matches, then it is if it matches with random, then it is going to be the correct answer. And in this else block also we need to write the same thing. And we'll say guess is equal to sc dot next int. So this is done. So when the number is greater or smaller than the random number, it will prompt the user to guess the number again. And if the guess matches with random, it sets the flag's value to false. So the while loop does not get executed the second time. It prints congratulations, your guess is correct. So this was everything. Let us run the code now. So we'll play it for the last time. Let's see if it works. Guess the number 77. Number is smaller than this. Must be something in 60s. Number is smaller than this, something in 40s, smaller than this, something in 20s, smaller than this, something in 10, greater than this, 13, smaller than this, 11, 12. Congratulations, your guess was correct. So you can see it stops right over here. So we have successfully completed our program, our game, and give it a try on your own. So the homework is like this. You have to see that the user does not get more than 5 tries to guess the correct number. Okay, and if he or she is not, if the user is not able to guess the correct number in 5 tries, then you say you're not able to guess it. You can run the program and try it again. So okay, so this is your homework, and if the user guesses it, you'll say congratulations, your guess was correct. Okay, this is your homework. And yes, I hope you have understood this program. If you have any doubts, you can comment it down below. That's it for today's video. More beginner level puzzles are coming, and this video was made on the request of our viewers, this beginners level puzzle. So this will enhance your problem solving skills as well. You can experiment with this in a number of ways. Like the homework that I've given you, this is a modification of this code only. So you can experiment it in a number of ways. And that's it for today's video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring. Thank you, and bye-bye.